This poor kitten was on the side of the road. While it was so aggressive and anxious, this lady tried to help but was too anxious to get help and started fighting with the kind lady. The poor kitten was running away and could be crushed by a car passing by when this lady picked it up and started helping it out. The poor thing was hungry and shivering when the lady brought it home. It loved it so much and it started getting used to her. It was given food as it was malnourished and needed help. Slowly it got its weight and it started getting healthier while it would also receive massage from them. Such a compassionate person.